Withdraw money from crypto.com. So as you can see here on our screen, we're currently in crypto.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to your accounts over here. Now, before you are able to actually withdraw money from crypto.com, you're actually going to have to set up first a cash option over here, which is open USD account. So I already have one over here, as you can see, USD account. But for you guys, this is going, or there will be an option over here to set it up like a button. I can show it right now, but if you click this, you will be able to have a USD account. And the registration, or for the requirement for this, is you're going to enter your bank account information. So ensure that you enter the bank account information that you want to withdraw to. And after that, you will be able to create your USD account over here. After this, you're first going to deposit money into your USD account over here. You're going to have to deposit a crypto or amount of money to this account so that there will be an established connection. This is what I was referring to, by the way, that you will need to have to fill out. And after that, after you successfully deposit, let's say $100 into your USD account, you can click on withdraw over here, which will allow you to withdraw from a bank account, as you can see. But as you can see, you must first make a successful deposit into your USD account before you could withdraw USD to your bank account. So you have to get money into it first before you can get money out of it. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.